Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a few of the privacy coins because I think the privacy coins are very hot lately. So I'm going to start with Dash. Dash had a very impulsive movement lately. We had 3 impulsive waves here, and so after we have 3 impulsive waves up, it usually what it does, it has an ABC correction wave, but it's not happening with Dash yet, so there's the probability that we're going to have 2 more impulsive waves. When we have 3 impulsive waves and we don't get a correction and we are actually able to make a higher high, then it usually will come with 2 more impulsive waves in the future. But this is of course not guaranteed. Nothing is 100% guaranteed, so you want to play it safe. So basically the possibilities here are it will either correct from here to the 38.2% Fibonacci level, or even lower to the 61.8% Fibonacci level. This is one possibility. The other possibility is that it just continues to go flat until it decides if it wants to go up or down, or the other possibility is that it will actually make a higher high and then retrace and then another higher high to complete the 2 next impulsive waves up. So because we don't know exactly what's going to happen yet, because it's so far it's consolidating here in between the moving average, we have to play it safe. So if the price goes down to the next Fibonacci level down, then we don't enter any trade. We just watch it go down and then take the analysis from there. When we can actually see the price bouncing back up, then we can make a new assessment and decide from there. But so far, as the price continues to go down, then we're not going to enter any long position. So we're only going to watch it. If the price breaks down this 23.6% Fibonacci line, then we don't do anything and just keep watching it go down until it stops. If the price goes sideways, obviously we're not going to enter a long position either, because there's no money to be made here. So we will only enter a long position if we can actually see the price bouncing up, showing some signs of bouncing on the way up already. So let's anticipate that the price is going to bounce in this Fibonacci line at the 23.6% level. If the price actually bounces on this line and it shows 2 or 3 candles already bouncing up, let's see where we could be looking at taking profits. So for this we use the Fibonacci extension tool on the last wave, from the bottom to the top and then bottom. And these are the levels that we get up. So if I was going to play this trade, I would choose a realistic target at the level of 0.618%, which is $432 more or less. So I would be taking at least 50% of my profits here. I'm going to delete these arrows. And then I would let it run. The other 50% I would let it run and take the rest of the profits. If it continues to go up, I would take the rest of the profits in the next Fibonacci level up here, which is at $450 more or less. And then I don't care if the price continues to go up and I miss some profits. I don't care about that. I will wait until it retraces, and then I would try to catch the next wave on the bottom or somewhere near the bottom. But this is how I would play it, only if I see the price actually bouncing and going up. So long as the price continues to consolidate or even go down, then I wouldn't enter a long position here. Okay, next one is ZenCash. This was a fork from the C Classic coin that it forked a few months ago, and it has been in a downtrend for all this time. I got my coins after the fork and I sold them somewhere here as soon as I was able to do that. and since then I have been out. It's been downtrending, and then it's been consolidating very nicely, and now we start to see some green volume here, some green spikes, and we are finally into an uptrend here. As you can see, this uptrend channel here, so it's finally uptrending. So if we can actually break through this resistance line here, this could go quite high, because it's been doing a rounded bottom here, and usually rounded bottoms, after they break out, it gives you a lot of profits. Actually, we would be looking at this target. So usually when rounded bottoms break out, it will go up all this length from the bottom of the rounded shape up to where it breaks out. So we could be looking at this much profits. Once it actually breaks out this line, it would go up all this much to 0.0037 Bitcoin. So I'm looking for this. If I see again here the price actually bouncing, like this support line here holds and the price actually bounce up, I would for sure be entering the trade, and this is how I would do it. So this is the long position tool. I would be entering somewhere here after I see the price already bouncing. This would be my profit target, and this would be my stop loss. Would be somewhere here very tight. So as you can see, I have 6 times more gains than losses if I lose the trade. So if I see the price bouncing here, I will for sure enter this trade, and I would be taking my profits up here. Okay, so this is for the Zen coin. Now Monero, it has another, it's been another coin that had a huge pump here, but now it looks like we cannot make another higher high, so it's gonna need to correct a little bit. So what I can read here, the volume is drying up as well, so I think it will correct to at least the next Fibonacci level down here, which is $120, and after that no one knows, it might consolidate, or it might even go down lower to the 61.8% Fibonacci level here, which is around $96 per Monero. Okay, and last, Bitcoin Cash. This is my favorite. I have a lot of faith in this coin, as I have been saying. I think this has the potential to actually replace Bitcoin. This is not considered an altcoin. This is an actual fork from the Bitcoin chain. It has low fees. It has fast transactions. So I think, I mean, the market they don't always react the same day or the same week. Sometimes it takes weeks or months for the markets to react and show the actual price and value of the asset. So I think that's what's going to happen with Bitcoin Cash. It's going to take some time, but sooner or later, I mean, this coin is just superior than Bitcoin itself. So I think in the future it's going to be huge. Right now we are retracing, and we've seen a lot of red volume down here, which represent the last people that usually the people that buys on the highs here, and they start to lose money. They keep holding on to it, hoping that the price is gonna start to go up eventually again. But then after they hold for all this time and they keep losing and losing money, then they get to this phase when they are desperate and they don't want to lose any more money, and they sell all together. And that's why we see all this red volume here and this big drop. This usually happens at the end of every bear market, or at the end of every downtrend. At the very end, we see the last parabolic movement down, and then well, they say in trading, when the last person sold, then is when the asset can start to consolidate, and we can enter a new market cycle. So that's what I'm guessing it's happening with Bitcoin Cash. I think it's going to consolidate somewhere around this level, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level. at around $520 or $530, and I think we're going to see some consolidation here and some green volume building. So my plan is to start buying here and accumulating. Of course, I'm not going to start doing it yet because chances are that this is going to continue continue the downtrend. We don't know. We have no guarantee yet, so I'm just going to wait and keep observing. But if I see consolidation at this level and I start seeing green volume here and this doesn't go down anymore, then I'm going to start accumulating here. So this is my plan for Bitcoin Cash, and I think that's all for the video today. I don't want to make it super long. I hope everything is clear, and if not, guys, leave your comments down below and I will try to answer as usual to the best of my knowledge, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.